Do you know what the 7 reasons why Subaru Crosstrek owners get furious when asked to sell are? Apparently, they are so strong that if you walk into any Subaru dealership and try convincing a Crosstrek owner to trade in their vehicle, you'll witness something remarkable. They won't just politely decline, they get genuinely angry, and this countdown is about to show you why. Number 7. Best all-wheel drive around. When it comes to all-wheel drive performance in the subcompact crossover segment, there's really no competition. Subaru has been perfecting its symmetrical all-wheel drive system for over 5 decades, and the Crosstrek certainly benefits from this engineering excellence. While competitors are still figuring out how to make all-wheel drive work properly, Subaru owners are confidently tackling conditions that would leave other vehicles stranded. The system doesn't just kick in when you need it. It's working constantly, splitting power between all 4 wheels with mechanical precision that electronic systems simply can't match. What makes Crosstrek owners particularly defensive about their vehicles is how other manufacturers are cutting corners. Most rivals use what's called all-wheel drive light, essentially front-wheel drive vehicles with an electric motor stuck on the rear axle. This approach works fine on paper, but when you're facing real-world conditions like deep snow, muddy trails, or rain-slicked highways, the difference becomes crystal clear. Even the latest hybrid maintains this mechanical advantage. Instead of relying on electric motors to power the rear wheels like so many competitors do, Subaru's hybrid system keeps the traditional mechanical connection between front and rear axles. Snow, rain, dirt, mud, the Crosstrek handles it all with an authority that leaves other subcompact crossovers struggling. Number 6. Ride quality. Here's something most automotive reviewers completely miss when evaluating the Crosstrek. Its ride quality represents the perfect balance that other manufacturers are still trying to achieve. While competitors are either too soft for any real capability or too harsh for daily comfort, the Crosstrek sits right in the sweet spot. The secret lies in Subaru's unique engineering approach. That famous boxer engine sits lower in the chassis compared to traditional inline engines, creating a lower center of gravity that fundamentally changes how the vehicle behaves on the road. Combined with a suspension setup that's been tuned for versatility rather than just comfort or performance, the result is something truly special. Crosstrek owners get particularly animated when people suggest they should upgrade to something with a smoother ride. They understand that pure comfort isn't the goal. It's about having a vehicle that can absorb the impact of a pothole on Monday morning's commute, then confidently handle a winding mountain road on the weekend. This versatile ride quality becomes even more apparent when you compare it to typical crossover alternatives. The Crosstrek's suspension setup manages to be engaging enough for drivers who actually enjoy the driving experience while remaining comfortable enough for passengers in long-distance travel. Number 5. Excellent off-road performance. Most people look at the Crosstrek and see just another small crossover, but owners know better. This vehicle offers off-road capability that rivals much larger and more expensive SUVs, thanks to a combination of features that work together seamlessly. The foundation starts with 8.7 inches of ground clearance, more than many full-size SUVs can claim. But clearance alone doesn't make a vehicle off-road capable. The Crosstrek's approach and departure angles, combined with that mechanical all-wheel drive system, create genuine trail riding ability. The Wilderness trim takes things even further with specialized upgrades that transform the Crosstrek into a serious off-road machine. We're talking about enhanced underbody protection, all-terrain tires designed specifically for the vehicle, and suspension tuning that increases capability without destroying on-road manners. But here's what really gets Crosstrek owners fired up. Even base models are incredibly capable once you take them off the beaten path. This isn't marketing fluff or theoretical capability that only works in perfect conditions. Owners regularly share stories of taking their Crosstreks to places that surprise them, from rocky hiking trail access roads to snow-covered mountain passes. What makes this particularly impressive is how the Crosstrek manages this capability without the compromises you'd expect. The vehicle seamlessly transitions from suburban grocery runs to weekend trail adventures without skipping a beat. Number 4. Practical and comfortable. Interior space is where automotive marketing often diverges from real-world usefulness, but the Crosstrek gets it right. While other manufacturers are playing the numbers game with cubic feet measurements, Subaru focused on creating space that's actually functional for how people live. The passenger space strikes that perfect balance between compact exterior dimensions and interior roominess. Front seat occupants get plenty of space without the vehicle feeling oversized for city driving and parking. The rear seats comfortably accommodate adult passengers for reasonable distances, which is all most people truly need from a vehicle in this class. But it's the thoughtful details that really demonstrate why Crosstrek owners become so attached to their vehicles. Door openings are sized for real-world use, and the seating position provides excellent visibility in all directions. Cargo space is generous enough for weekend adventures or major shopping trips, with a loading floor that's low enough for easy lifting. What really sets the Crosstrek apart is how all these practical elements work together seamlessly. You're not making significant compromises in one area to gain advantages in another. This is a vehicle that handles the daily routine efficiently while remaining ready for those occasional situations where you need more capability. Number 3. Well-equipped for the future. Subaru's EyeSight Safety Suite is standard across the entire Crosstrek lineup, providing active safety features that many competitors charge thousands extra for. We're talking about automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and other technologies that are genuinely useful rather than just marketing checkboxes. The technology integration feels natural rather than forced. The infotainment system works reliably with smartphone integration that actually functions as intended. Climate controls remain physical buttons and knobs that you can operate without taking your eyes off the road. What's particularly impressive is how Subaru continues updating these systems through the vehicle's life cycle. Over-the-air updates mean your Crosstrek is getting new features and improvements long after you drove it off the lot. This approach extends the useful life of the vehicle and keeps owners satisfied with their choice. The 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is introducing even more advanced technology, including a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and emergency stop assist that will automatically stop the vehicle, turn on hazard lights, unlock doors, and call emergency services if needed. This is the kind of feature that provides real peace of mind for families. Number 2. Solid powertrain options. Engine reliability is where many modern vehicles fail their owners, but Subaru's Boxer engine design has been proving itself for decades. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine that's standard in most Crosstrek trims represents decades of refinement and real-world testing. This isn't the most powerful engine in the segment, and Crosstrek owners don't care. What they value is predictable, reliable performance that doesn't require expensive maintenance or frequent repairs. The Boxer configuration provides inherently smooth operation and excellent longevity when properly maintained. Now, the new Crosstrek Hybrid is changing the game entirely and brings yet another clear reason for lifetime ownership. The new system produces 194 horsepower, making it the most powerful Crosstrek ever offered, while delivering approximately 42 miles per gallon combined fuel economy. This represents a genuine improvement in every measurable category without sacrificing reliability. What makes this particularly exciting for current owners is that Subaru developed this hybrid system in-house, rather than borrowing technology from Toyota. Subaru engineers created a system specifically designed to work with their symmetrical all-wheel drive and Boxer engine architecture. The result is a hybrid system that maintains the mechanical all-wheel drive connection that Crosstrek owners value, while providing electric motor assistance that improves both performance and efficiency. With a 15-gallon fuel tank and improved efficiency, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid is targeting over 600 miles of range on a single tank. Number 1. Unbeatable value that actually lasts. Here's the fundamental reason why Crosstrek owners get angry when asked to sell. They understand the true cost of ownership in ways that many car buyers never consider. This isn't just about the purchase price, though the Crosstrek remains competitively priced, starting around $27,000 for base models. Reliability scores for the Crosstrek consistently rank among the best in the automotive industry. This means fewer unexpected repairs, lower maintenance costs, and the confidence that comes with knowing your vehicle won't leave you stranded. When other crossover owners are dealing with expensive transmission problems or complex electronic failures, Crosstrek owners are simply changing oil and replacing wear items. Depreciation curves tell the real story about long-term value. While most vehicles lose 50 to 60% of their value within 5 years, the Subaru Crosstrek retains its value significantly better than almost any competitor. This isn't just theoretical, it's money in your pocket, whether you eventually trade the vehicle or keep it for its entire useful life. The total ownership experience creates emotional value that's difficult to quantify but impossible to ignore. Crosstrek owners develop genuine relationships with their vehicles because these machines consistently deliver on their promises. They provide transportation when needed, capability when challenged, and reliability when it matters most. For the 2026 model year, Subaru is maintaining competitive pricing despite significant improvements in technology and capability. The new Crosstrek Hybrid is expected to start around $35,000, which represents exceptional value considering the advanced powertrain and standard all-wheel drive. When you combine all these factors, reliability, capability, efficiency, technology, and value retention, it becomes clear why current Crosstrek owners get defensive about their choice. They're not just driving a vehicle, they're part of a community that understands what real automotive value looks like. But it's not like worthy alternatives don't exist in this class. Check out this video about the reasons why Toyota Corolla Cross owners will be trapped with it forever, which you can now see on the screen. With impressive fuel economy and bulletproof engineering, it's clear that this is a car that many will want to keep as long as possible.